Hello, my dear learners. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So, here we will start a new chapter of your GK book, and the name of the chapter is From Earth to Cosmos. What is that? Here we will study. Here we will have to look about Indian space achievements. So, what are the achievements? Okay, so this thing we have to discuss. Okay. So let's start. India has made groundbreaking strides in space explorations with notable achievements in lunar, solar, and interplanetary missions. The success of mission like Chandrayaan 3, which made history by landing of the moon in South Pole. Here it is, we all know about Chandrayaan mission, Mangalyaan mission, all these missions are very useful. Okay, so like we can know about we know about Chandrayaan 3 is a moon missions. Here we will India will be India was done a very smooth landing on the moon. So the Chandrayaan 3 made a history by landing on the moon South Pole, and Aditya L1 Indian the first dedicated mission to see or to study the sun. So Aditya L1 missions is related to sun and Chandrayaan mission is related to moon. Showcase Indians' growing capabilities in space science. From the historic Mars orbital missions Mangalyaan in 2013, which made the India the first Asian country to reach Mars, to the ambitious Gaganyaan projects aiming to be Indian first crewed missions, ISRO continue to reach new frontiers for future missions like Shukrayaan 1 Venus mission. So there are so much missions are there. There are a lot of missions related to sun, related to moon, related to Mars. So here we will look upon all these missions. Okay. So let's have a look on it. First one is Chandrayaan 3 missions. Okay. It is launched in 2023. So the achievements of this mission is Chandrayaan 3 successfully soft landed on the moon South Pole. Chandrayaan 3 missions do a very soft landing on the surface of the moon. So Chandrayaan 3 successfully soft landing on the moon's south pole on August 23rd, 2023, making India first country to achieve this feat. So by this missions, India become we can say the first country to reach on the moon surface of South Pole. This mission's success highlights Indians' growing capabilities in lunar exploration and including the Pragyan rover, which conducted scientific experiments on lunar missions. Lunar means the surface of the moon. So Chandrayaan 3 missions also launched due to that they want the study of the moon. So that's why this mission is launched. So that's why they can also see the surface of moon and all these things. Next is Aditya L1 mission that is launched in 2023. So achievement of this mission is launched in 2nd September 2023. Aditya L1 in Indian first mission to study the moon. So it's the Indian first mission. So they can study about the sun. I'm sorry, it's not moon, it's sun. Okay, so the Aditya L1 mission is studied the surface of the sun and all about all these things. Positional at so the Aditya L1 mission is that they are pointed to 1 means L1. So there is a L1 point in that these we can say launch in that direction. Okay, and mission aim to observe solar activities and understand the impact on the earth. It's marked Indians' entry into the heliotrope physics and solar search. Okay, so this is mission related to sun. Next about Mangalyaan, or we can say Mars orbital mission that is launched in 2013. This mission is related to Mars. Okay, so achievements is launched on November 5, 2013. Mangalyaan, also known as Mars orbital mission MOM, was India's first interplanetary missions. It successfully entered Mars orbit on September 24, 2014, making India the first Asian countries and the fourth one in the world to reach on Mars. So Mars is also a planet like Earth, Mars, Jupiter. So in that planets, India became the first Asian country and the fourth one to land on the surface of Mars. Next is Shukrayaan mission, or we can say Venus missions. So scheduled to launch in March 29, 2028. So objective of Shukrayaan mission is the Shukrayaan 1 was be ISRO's first missions to study Venus, focusing on its dense atmosphere. So this mission is related to Venus. So they study about the atmosphere and all these things about Venus. So the mission aims to enhance our understanding of Venus climate and geology, contributing to the study of planetary revolutions, evolutions, and climate change. So this is how these missions are launched. So that's why they can also study about these planets like Sun, Moon, Venus, and Mars. Okay, clear? So yes, this is the chapter all about. Okay, so that's all my dear learners for this class. Have a great day. Bye bye.